Setting up the development environment overview. Hello learners. Before building applications with Django, it is crucial to set up your development environment correctly. In this tutorial, you will learn to install Python, Django, necessary packages on Windows, verifying the installations, and troubleshoot common issues. Step 1. Creating an environment with a Conda. Open the Anaconda prompt as administrator for proper permissions. Use the following command to create a new environment with Django and Python. Conda create -n bj2, for example. Django. We choose yes. The environment created with the required packages. To activate created environment, we use Conda. Activate DJ2. Understanding installed packages. For example, Django 5.1, the main framework for building web application. ASGI Reef 3.8, PEP version 24.3, Python 3.13, SQL Pairs 4.5, TZ Data, SQLite 3.48, and other system libraries like OpenSSL, libv, and CA certificates ensure security and compatibility. Now for verifying the installation, we write Python version 3.13, and for verifying pip installation, we write pip version, which is 24.3. And for check the installed Django version, we write Python -m Django version, which is 5.15. Troubleshooting tips. Permission errors. Always run the Anaconda prompt as administrator. For version conflicts, ensure no conflicting Python installations on your system. For network issues, use a stable internet connection for downloading packages. Summary and next steps. What we achieved: installed Python Django required dependencies on your Windows system, verified that the environment is correctly set up for Django development. Next steps: in the next tutorial, we will create a new Django project and explore its basic structure.